Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Monday morning and I'm currently on my way to the clinic. I'm going to get my teeth checked. I'm going to tell you all a little bit about this whole journey. I think I've mentioned in some of my videos about my teeth and the circumstances thereof. So today I actually have some good news. I had some good news from the doctor. So I'm going to get some treatment today, which I am very excited about. I was gonna have a surgery for my teeth, but then it kind of turned around after like I think 4 years of treatment, I think. And now I don't need the surgery anymore, which is exciting. So guys, if you see here, my teeth is like damaged, and okay, let's just tell you the good news while I'm in the car. When I was much younger, I had an accident, a really terrible accident that I couldn't even walk for some time. Through the accident, that was how I got my teeth damaged back when I was in Nigeria. So I guess they didn't realize that I needed to treat it or something, I'm not sure. But they treated other parts of my body that had injuries. But basically, I had it that way for this time, all this while. Nothing was done. I carried it all these years. And then, what is it called? Like boil. Something that would just have boil on top of my lips over there, like on top of my gum. So you do have from time to time. In fact, this was why I started brushing twice a day. And sometimes, to be honest, I think I would brush 3 times, but it wasn't frequent. But definitely, if I didn't brush like the second time that day, the next morning I absolutely will have a boil there. So this is what I did for years until I started to work, and then obviously I could afford certain things. And also there is insurance. So when you're working in Lithuania, most companies, you get insurance, which allows you to go to the clinic. So that was when I went to the clinic, and then they realized that I had trauma on my teeth. So when I had the first appointment, and then that was when they realized that I actually had trauma on my teeth, and this trauma had caused like a big cyst in my gum. So this was like bad, and I remember the doctor told me that if I had waited like 2 more years, that my the cyst would have gone wider and affected the rest of my teeth, because it didn't only affect the ones that were damaged, it started to affect other ones close to it as well. So the doctor then, after the 3D scan, they told me that, hey, if you don't have if you had not come during the time that she had come to the clinic, in 2 to 3 years, like my front gum would have fallen away. Like, guys, can you believe it? So that was how we started the treatment. Obviously all the cleaning, and then I got a temporary filling in my teeth. Okay, so we got a temporary filling. When I did the filling, the doctor told me that this was like a temporary solution, obviously, to this was just to keep it there and let's manage it first until we can have surgery. So the clinic that I had the filling, then they could not have the surgery they couldn't perform the surgery for me because I needed anesthetics to to sleep and get the surgery, and they didn't do that in that clinic. So they had told me to go to another clinic, but going to that clinic, I had gone there so many times. That was Zhagorio clinic if you're in Lithuania. I went there so many times, but they couldn't do that. Most of the people that work in that clinic, they speak no English at all. So, and the doctors, it was so difficult to get an appointment there. So throughout the years, and then obviously COVID happened, I couldn't get the treatment at all. And so I have been carrying this temporary feeling for a long time. So when COVID stopped, I started to go back to the hospital. I started to try other hospitals as well. And remember, the doctor in the beginning, when I did the temporary feeling, told me that I needed to have surgery, right? So I couldn't find where to have the surgery, and I continued to try different hospitals, but nothing was working. Eventually, after a few tries, tried to go to clinic, they'll tell me to do this test, do this scan. Oh, and one of the reasons why I couldn't also have the surgery for all those years is because anemia. So guys, I don't want to say I experience anemia from time to time. Sometimes it is quite severe, and if you have anemia, which means your blood level or blood count, hemoglobin, is low, so you can't really go on anesthesia. Yeah, you can't really go on it. Anesthetics, yeah, guys, I don't know, I'm not a doctor, whatever it's called. You can't go under that because your blood hemoglobin is low. So then I would go and they would test me, and they would find out, oh, okay, your blood is not high enough, you cannot have this surgery right now, so you need to try again. So after a few months, they'll give me tablets. I will try to increase my hemoglobin. Obviously, we have periods every month. By the time I go back again, it will tell me it's low. So this is what I've been doing for years, thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna have my surgery. This, which, guys, if I don't have my surgery, I cannot feel my teeth, and I cannot have like aligned teeth. It means I have to have it like this, guys. I don't have any other choice, basically. And at some point, I just thought, okay, what am I going to do? I've tried to increase my hemoglobin to where I can have it, and then I started to feel well. But what I had done was, you know what, let me go back to the clinic that actually started this treatment and see if they recommend me anything, right? So I decided to go back to that clinic again, and I met the doctors. Now they have new doctors, they did the test, they have my records, everything. And so I remember I had met this new doctor, and so she asked me again to do a 3D scan, which I had done, and sent it to them. When I sent it to them, and I came back again for appointment, and they realized that I don't need the surgery anymore. Oh my god, that the cyst had healed. And like, oh my god, guys, I'm so happy. You have no idea. Coming for that I could have the surgery, like, for me it's a big deal that I don't have to have it anymore. And I really believe that God had closed up that cyst, and I don't need that surgery anymore. Okay, so today I am going to the clinic to get my permanent filling. So I have right now in my teeth, I have temporary filling. So today they're gonna take it out, and I'm gonna get the permanent filling today. So I'm excited, guys. My teeth situation is finally coming to an end. Like, we're making progress in that place. So thank you, Jesus. You know, guys, I'm so happy. I don't even know what to say anymore. But yeah, if you're watching this video and you have any teeth problem and you've not checked it out, seriously, I recommend to go and check it. Because imagine, like I told you, the doctor said if I had not come like in 2 years time, like, my front teeth all would have been damaged, and imagine it would have cost much more money, much more issues for me. And guys, your teeth is so important, so please go to your clinic, have your dental hygiene, especially if you're living in Lithuania and have your insurance. Please use it for your appointment. Go have your oral hygiene, go have your test to make sure that everything is okay. But yes, today I'm going to Mintis Odontology, and seriously, I am also shouting out to this clinic. If you're in Lithuania, please check them out, because they're very, like, every time I've gone to so many, guys, you have no idea, I've gone to so many clinics in Lithuania, like high end, low end, middle end. I've gone everywhere, but this clinic, like, is affordable. The doctors are really like very patient, very gentle with you, very nice. So yeah, this doctor that is getting my treatment today, I've never met him. So guys, let's go to the clinic and see how it goes. I'm excited, getting my permanent filling. Okay, in the next few years. All right, let's go. Definitely not. I think I have Thursday, Friday. God. Until when does the doctor work? Until what time? So guys, I just finished from the clinic, and now I want to go buy boots. It's getting very cold in Lithuania, actually. Like, it is so chilled, so cold right now, and it's just October, so I'm quite surprised by how cold it is, to be honest. But everybody's like, oh, we had a long summer, so winter is like, since you guys had a long summer, I'm gonna come get you all early. So yeah, it is very cold today. Today's even better. Yesterday, Sunday, was crazy. It was too cold for what to speak. Okay, appointment went really good. I did my permanent filling. Obviously you cannot see because it's inside, and actually the doctor told me that I can have my aesthetics very quickly. Like, I don't have to wait, I don't have to
wait any 6 months today to see the doctor that will do the aesthetics. So I don't know if I'll be able to go on that day because I'm working, but I will let you guys know. Hopefully I'll show it in the next vlog when we have all the settings done and everything. Guys, do you guys see how I'm smiling? Because it's been I don't even know how many years I've had this. See, it's not like I'm ashamed of it or anything. Like, obviously I'm happy, I'm beautiful. Like, I don't need my teeth perfect to be myself, to be happy or whatever. So, but is there something nice that all this hard work that I've put into getting it done that is actually gonna come true? So obviously I'm so happy. So let's go now. I'm gonna go find where to get a shoe. There was my birthday celebration and you can see my eyes are red because I've not really rested a lot. So I need to get some rest. I need to chill. I need to relax. Like, I really need to rest. So yeah, let's go find shoe and see what we get up to next. Okay, come with me to go find winter boots in Lithuania.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
I'm back home now. I'm trying to eat, but it's so uncomfortable to eat because I have this new feeling behind. I was so hungry, but the moment I put food in my mouth, I couldn't chew properly. I couldn't bite, and I just lost my appetite. So I am so sleepy because, you know, it's been a stressful weekend, and today is the only day I have to rest because this week is going to be very productive, very I have so much to do this week. Yeah, I wanted to stay busy, but my husband has taught me to stop saying that it's gonna be stressful, that the week is gonna be stressful, but rather the week is gonna be productive. So yeah, so this week is gonna be productive. Let me go either sleep or try and eat or something. Even though I'm so excited, I have when I finish. I can't eat right now. I can't eat, and I hope it gets better in the next few days. Amen.
The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.